Hi folks, sorry I couldn't be there today. Had to go on a 7th grade field trip. Okay, after you complete your Journal 27, go to your Google Classroom. Okay, the assignment that you want to set up today is at the top, Intro to Coding JavaScript 8, aka JS. Next you want to open up your website, go to Pages, click on Coding 8, click on the 3 dots, go to Add Subpage, name the new subpage Intro to Coding, capital J, capital S for JavaScript, and number 8. Click Done. Once you have this page, okay, go back to your Google Classroom, open up the assignment, scroll down. This document's here for me, but it's going to be down here for you. It's going to say Intro to Coding JavaScript and then your first and last name. You're going to click on that and open that up. And it looks like this. This document will go into this page. So click Insert, scroll down to the word Docs. It should be the first thing as soon as it loads. Click on it, click Insert. It's going to go in like this. You probably want to make it a little bit longer just so it's easier to access. Just like that. And then click Publish. Okay, so the setting up part is done. Okay, next you have to set up your Khan Academy account. So you're going to click on here. It's not going to look like this. It's going to look like this. Okay, so you're going to click on Learners. It's going to make you put your birthday date in. Doesn't really matter. This is going to show up. You want to click in with Continue with your Google account. Okay, it's not immediately going to go to here. What you're going to see is a pop-up window for grades. You're going to click 8th grade. And then the green Continue at the bottom right hand corner. Then it's going to show you a bunch of subjects. You want the third one down. That's in green. It says Computer Programming, and right underneath that it says Computers. It just says Computers, and then underneath that it says Computer Programming. And then select that and then hit Continue, and then you'll have a dashboard that will only have this area here. Okay, you want to click on the very first one that says Intro to JS, which is JavaScript. It's going to look exactly like this. Okay, this works with your worksheet. Okay, if you scroll down your worksheet, at the bottom of the first page there's 3 parts, one in yellow, one in blue, and one in green. The yellow is Intro to Programming, the blue is Drawing Basics, and part 3 is Coloring. And if you continue scrolling, then you'll see the different parts. Okay, so the first part, Intro to Programming, has 2 different parts here. Okay, first part is what is programming. So what you're going to have to do is just continue with this. This is where your navigation is. What is programming is a video. Okay, so all you have to do is watch the video, and then you answer the 6 questions are here. Okay, then you move on to the next section, which is Learning Programming Khan Academy. So you always navigate from the left hand side. So I'm going to click on, when I'm done that, I click here and Learning Programming Khan Academy. It's basically just questions about the bold items and that kind of stuff. Alright, so everything you need to know is right here to answer your 5 questions. Okay, and that will complete your Intro to Programming section. The next section is Drawing Basics. So next, always go for the left hand side. So I'm going to click on Drawing Basics, and then here are the 5 lessons. Now this right here is called a workspace. It's a video plus a workspace that you can type in. So what's going to happen here, this is just an introduction video on ellipses and what the numbers mean for each. It is about 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Okay, this is, you're looking for the nicknames of each number, which is up here, and then each number does something to an ellipse. Okay, makes it wider or skinnier or taller or shorter. Okay, and you're going to have to, based on what the video says, you're going to have to tell me, you know, direction and nickname. Nickname is X, Y, H for height, or W for width. There's a little guy that shows up when you make mistakes, so you gotta write that answer here. And then most of the time there is a screenshot required. In this case, it's still going through everything. Okay, when this is done, it's going to be a face. So what you need to do is manipulate the numbers and change them so this face does not look like anything like it looks like right now. Once you achieve that, you're going to take a screenshot of this whole area here. Okay, that's Shift Command 4, and then you just drag and drop it right into right here under number 3. Okay, and then you just move on to the next section, which again is right here. Okay. When I see you again next class, we'll talk about due date. Alright, good luck, and I'll see you soon.